Grasping opportunities in this era and developing insights into the industry development, we focus on technology-driven progress for both ourselves and the industry. From precision manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, we to create more possibilities in the automotive world through innovations. We are Dare Auto. Also, through 20 years of continuous innovations and development, we are now positioned to provide high-tech products for customers. Built on years of technical accumulations, we produce robust power, enhanced driving pleasure and comfort, as well as less energy consumption through stable and reliable hydraulic pump and electric pump technologies. In the field of automotive electronic system, we have been thinking deeply about how to bring more stable, more convenient, and more intelligent driving experience to drivers with cutting-edge electric motor control technology. In the field of NVH system, we strive to explore and change, achieving reputation and high quality of comfort driving with leading material technologies and systematic solutions. Our deep efforts and dedication in those three major fields enable us to produce excellent integrated systematic and platform solutions for the automobile industry. The Wisdom Collision sparks innovations, and we've never slowed down the pace of research and development. We have built an international research and development team full of talent specializing in hardware, software development, and professional design, hence being able to develop products for world-class new models simultaneously through independent innovations and leveraging our own advantages. We are dedicated to manufacturing products with lasting competitiveness for customers in multiple fields of automotive controls. We believe that the progresses of our customers are just like ours. Quality control and process control are the dual guarantees for precision manufacturing. Countless rigorous tests ensure the consistency and stability of each product. Attention to details and commitment to precision define Dare quality and become part of our DNA. Dare's products and services penetrates across Asia, Europe, and both sides of the Pacific Ocean and become truly global. We know that only products with sincerity and good reputation can win praises. In the new era, we are facing a new round of challenges. Dare provides customers with digital, intelligent, high-efficient, and low-energy automobile solutions. We challenges the future with our wisdom and courage, as well as the infinite possibilities of China's own automobile technologies.